Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify profile picture. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So what we're going to do is come up to the top right hand side. We're going to click on our icon here with the G, and then we are going to come down and click on profile. It's then going to take a little while for our profile to load, and then here it is. So as you can see, we have got our profile name and we've got the option for a photo. So if you give this a click and then it says choose photo, and then what it's going to do, it's going to load up your desktop and then you're going to have the option to choose your picture. So if I go and give this a click, which is our logo, as you can see, that is just loading. Amazing, love it. And then I'm just going to come over and click that save button. Just going to save it, and there you go. You can see that has uploaded our photo and it all looks amazing. So that was it, guys. A super quick one today on how to change your Spotify profile picture. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We appreciate it so much. Thanks again, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.